Hi everybody, I'm Carol and this is our friend Demetrius and Martha.
My daughter.
And they are awesome people of God and we love them. And God did something amazing for Martha today, and maybe you could tell them what happened.
Years ago, my daughter's father slit my throat and stabbed me 267 times. One of the wounds was to my back. Ever since then, I had swelling in my spine. My legs was hurting. They were tingling. My back was hurting. A couple of weeks ago, I had a stroke, and it messed up my right side. I couldn't do nothing but drag my right side. Well, Miss Carol here prayed for me today because I was in so much pain. I was in tears. She prayed for me today. And now I can move my right side. There's no pain in my back, no tingling in my legs. I can actually move. I'm pain-free. It's been so many years since I didn't have any pain, so I don't forgot how good it can feel. So, yeah, God still works.
Who did that?
God did.
Absolutely.
God did. And He still works and He still do miracles. I'm one. So.
Praise God.
Believe in
God
it.
is so good.
And now Demetrius, he got healed too of something?
What happened with you today?
My foot's was broken for 37 years, and I had been having pain, and they came and prayed today. And
You got an X-ray, right, to confirm that it was broken?
Yeah, I had an X-ray to confirm that, and I prayed today, and it was hurting, and now I have no pain.
Wow.
Praise the Lord.
You had quite a bit of pain with it?
I know I did.
Yeah.
Can you walk now without any pain?
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Praise the Lord.
Yeah, I walk pretty good.
Martha, do you mind showing the camera how you can bend over and you
Oh,
couldn't do
yeah.
it before?
See, I couldn't squat, but now I can squat. I can bend over.
And you couldn't do that before?
No. I couldn't do none of
What
that.
was with your hands?
I had a stroke and it was weak. I was weak on my right side, but now I can move my hand.
Grab my hand. Oh my goodness.
I'm sorry, Miss Carol. Miss Carol, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
How strong you are.
Yeah, it's all coming back, and I feel so much better. So much better. I really appreciate it, Miss Carol. I really do.
That's our God.
Yeah.
He does that.
Yeah.
And
And I didn't think
He's still in the miracle working business today.
Yeah. I didn't think the swelling would ever go down in my spine. I didn't think I could. Since the stroke, I was so depressed because I was just so, my face was twisted. I went through so much. But He brought me through. He really did.
Praise the Lord.
Well, thank